In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project management systems in Airtable. So whether you're trying to streamline your team's workflows or just want a more efficient way to manage projects, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's head over to Airtable. If you're already familiar with this platform, you know how versatile it can be. For those new to it, Airtable is like a spreadsheet and database hybrid, which gives you the flexibility to shape your projects exactly how you need. Once you're on the Airtable website, you'll want to navigate to the Workspaces section. This is your starting point for accessing various features, including templates that will form the backbone of your project management system. Now, once we're here, we need to click on Templates and Apps. Browsing templates is an excellent way for both beginners and seasoned users to find a pre-configured setup that fits their needs. It saves time and ensures you're standing on a solid foundation before diving deeper into personalization. Within this section, look for the Project Management category. This is where things start to get more specific to our objectives today. Once you've found the Project Management section, we can take a closer look at the various templates available. Airtable offers a variety of templates for different types of project management needs. So whether you're managing a marketing campaign, tracking product development, or overseeing event planning, there will be a template to match. Take a moment to explore the options. This exploration gives you an insight into how others have structured their systems and can spark ideas for your customization. Now, let's click on a template that suits your needs. As you select a template, you're not just choosing a set of columns and rows, you're opting into a system that's been thoughtfully designed to cover essential project management elements like tasks, timelines, and responsibilities. It's a good idea to choose a template that closely aligns with your project type, as this reduces the time needed to tweak the system into relevance for your specific context. Having selected your template, the next step is to try it out. This means clicking on Try this template. Doing so will import the selected template into your workspace and allow you to start making it your own. This is where you can tailor fields, update records, and configure views to best suit how your team works. Moving tasks between phases or changing views from a grid to a Kanban board is straightforward in Airtable, allowing you to adapt as your project's demands evolve. With these steps, you've successfully set up a project management system using Airtable. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility and how it grows with your needs. Experiment, refine, and make it your own, as this dynamic tool can support simple task management to complex, multi-team project planning. Thanks for joining today's guide, and happy project managing.